Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are looking of course at 3 waves down for WXY and 3 waves up for NABC. Your wave B has reached of course higher than your start, transforming this to an expanding flat, and we are looking for a wave C towards the downside. Your wave C of course should be starting with 5 waves of course, and as you can see a leading diagonal here 1 2 3 4 5 towards the downside. Now your bullish scenario is that you might have finished a short wave C here and transformed this expanding flat to a running flat, finishing a short wave C exactly in the middle of this expanding flat, which it turns it into a running flat. However, this is a very, very rare pattern that it might happen, especially on the daily chart, because it might happen on a lower time frame, but on the daily it is very, very rare. Therefore, the possibilities goes on the daily much higher for the bearish scenario. Now, looking closer inside this area, of course, we are looking here at the 5 waves down as a diagonal. After that, we saw kind of a conflict between bullish and bearish scenario, where we possibly looking for a 1 2 3 4 5 as a wave 1, or it could be a zigzag up for W, zigzag down for X, and a zigzag up for Y, and that transform it of course into 3 wave correction as WXY after having 5 waves down for FET. Now after that, we are looking again for 5 waves down and kind of a conflict again with this pattern. We are looking at possibly 1 2 3 4 and 5 waves of course as a leading diagonal again, which it give us of course this might be a 1 2 for your wave 3, and then of course after having a big 1 2. So be careful with it of course. And then another scenario, it can be of course 3 waves as well as a zigzag where you have an impulse here. Well, not really, because of course this has interfered with your wave 1, but if your wave 1 is taken from this small area, you have 1 2 3 4 5 possibly. However, it can still be a 3 waves, low possibility, but yeah, it can be alright. So and then if you are 1 2 here and then moving up, okay, that's bullish after having a running flat, which is the most rare, but still okay, still bullish. However, the case scenario now is here. Now definitely we got 3 waves up. This is a problem. Okay, so also next wave here, it does those waves. Those are 3 waves up, and that means after having 5 waves down, 3 waves up, and now we are possibly looking to a massive wave towards the downside. So to be honest, possibilities are much more tending to be bearish. Your last chance for the bullish scenario is of course to reverse inside this green box towards the upside. By all means. Of course, I got a comment about this the last video. The comment was in Spanish and I translated of course, and they were saying, so in short, if we move down then we are moving down, and if we move up then we are moving up. What an analysis. Well, if you don't really understand and you're not really experienced in trading, of course you will say this. You should understand that what I mean with this, an entry point in this area is very, very risky. You cannot simply just push that green or red button and lose your money in this area, right? Because it can be both bullish or it can be bearish. So you have to wait sometimes. You have to have some patience to see what the price decision will be, and then you make your trade. Now, if you pass these fib levels, yes, of course you have to sell. Now, it will sound for you, oh, okay, it's too late. Okay, because you're definitely not an experienced trader. Because if you pass this level, your trade starts from there. And your trade is a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So you are trading all this area. Yeah. Now, if you are very greedy and you want to enter from there, and already that I have to tell you a price decision, this is not what the channel is for. Of course, here is to tell you what is going on in reality. If you want to take the sell, it should be taken from that point. And of course, after finishing or eliminating the chance of the bullish scenario. Now, if you are a bullish already, you should see a price action. You should see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation towards the upside, breaking this level. This is your entry point. Very, very simple. And if you want to tell me, of course, oh, it's too late. Also that, of course, I'm very greedy because, of course, if you want to take the trade from here and you want to trade all this part already, so that is not possible. I'm sorry, my friend. So, you need, of course, to understand what I'm saying in the video and in the analysis, not always that I have to give some signal. And I know FET is very sensitive coin. I don't know why, guys. I don't know. I don't understand it. I don't care about FET if it goes up or down. I never traded even, but I know it's very important for you. But for me, it is just a chart, okay? Some guys of you tell me, okay, I don't short it. I don't want to short it. It's very important. At the end, for me, it's just a chart, and traders are shorting it. So if you don't short it and you don't take benefit of it, so I mean, what is the point of trading, right? Trading is selling and buying, just know that there is no up without going down. Therefore, if FET doesn't go down, that it will never go up. So this is a part of the game, guys. Don't be emotional with the coins. Never. With trading, never be emotional, because this is what whales, what ETFs try to take benefit of you. Like to take benefit of your emotions regarding FET, how much you love FET, how much you have trust in FET, and how much you want to trade FET to be bullish. The whales can simply put all their money against you, and they can beat you, guys. So it might be the thing. It might be that some investors were trusting FET and they were supporting FET, and then suddenly now they changed or they lost their trust in this project and they start to remove their money from it. So be careful from it and never be emotional with trading, and especially with the coin, okay? It doesn't matter if it goes up or down, guys. What it matters is that you make profit from it. You don't know what is behind the management of FET. You don't know if that is fake or not, or if there is some problematic thing. I don't like fundamentals, and that's why I don't like fundamentals, because it's something always abstract, right? What I would love to do is technical analysis based on Elliott wave, because it shows exactly what is going on. It shows that, okay, traders are shorting this coin and are leaving out of this trade. In case if they were bullish, they are simply selling from this top and this top, right? So this is the thing, guys. I don't want to sound bearish on FET or bullish, but I'm just telling you what I see, of course, on the chart. So yeah, I know this coin is very, very sensitive for you, and each time I get like very bad comments or dislikes when I am bearish on FET. But when I'm very bullish on FET, I see many likes, I see many nice comments for this. And so please, guys, try to not be emotional regarding just one coin. And of course, I always have to tell you the truth and what I see. I cannot just tell you what you want to hear. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.